14th, 2022. Fall is not quite here yet, but it's right around the corner. I've actually gotten a little jump start on my fall activities. In this video, I'm gonna talk about fall fertilizing, but I'm also gonna talk about one of my fall strategies. On August 17th, I overseeded my side yard, and on August 27th, I overseeded the front and the backyards. It seems that every year I struggle to decide between either overseeding or working on pre-emergent, and I always end up doing both. Now, let me clarify, I am not suggesting that you do both. I'm simply sharing a strategy that has worked for me. Best practice really is to pick one or the other, and at some point I will, but it won't be this year. I really did want to focus strictly on pre-emergent this year, but disease hit me really hard, so here I am yet again tackling both. In order to do both, I needed to seed as early as the weather would allow. Although soil temperatures were not in the optimal range for seeding, I dropped my seed in mid-August. As it stands today, that was about 28 days ago. Today is 21 days post-germination. As you can see, things are looking good. All right, you ready for this? Because here we go. Here is my seed and pre-emergent strategy. 1, seed as early in August as possible. 2, we're gonna keep up with the fertilizing and watering. 3, we're gonna get at least 3 mows in on the new grass. And finally, number 4, 45 days post-germination, apply the pre-emergent. Now, how effective the pre-emergent is will be dependent on soil temperatures at the time of application. I anticipate applying the pre-emergent no later than the second week of October. A late pre-emergent is better than no pre-emergent in my opinion. So far, things are on track for success. All right, moving right along. Let's now discuss post-seeding fertilizer choices. For cool season grass, fall is a time when you want to push nitrogen because it's actively growing. You want to help your lawn get through the winter months and come out swinging in the spring. Now, there are tons of fertilizer choices for you to pick from, but I'm just going to talk about a few of my favorites. I gotta tell you, my absolute favorite granular fertilizer is Hybrix. A common roadblock amongst my clients has been the lack of time to dedicate to lawn care. Hybrix is my top recommendation for these clients because it is applied every 3 months instead of monthly, thus saving quite a bit of time. Hybrix has both quick and slow release nitrogen that replenishes essential nutrients within the soil for the lawn. This fertilizer also produces amazing color. Although I only applied ammonium sulfate to my front yard for the spring and summer, my recent soil test revealed that it didn't make a difference. So I reverted back to Hybrix and I've used it as my starter fertilizer when I seed it. The visual results speak for themselves, and I will continue to use Hybrix for the remainder of this season as well as next year. Now, another favorite is the organic lawn box fertilizers. This fertilizer is the real deal. Now, it also has quick and slow release nitrogen, and I'm currently using it in my parkway and backyard. Let me tell you, I was so impressed with the soil results from the parkway that I decided I wanted to expand the use of this to my backyard. Their fertilizers, along with the soil saver, is a punch of nutrients for the lawn. Now, Lawn Box will feed for 6 weeks, but I'm okay with the more frequent applications for the benefits it has provided. Now, I'm gonna go down with the Fall Fix 555 and Soil Saver for my fall applications of Lawn Box. So going into winter, typically you're going to want a granular application as your winterizer. But if you are truly on an all liquids plan, I highly recommend the Simple Lawn Solutions 1648 or 15015 for your fall and winter applications. as they say in the movies, that is a wrap, my friends. As always, if you have any questions about what I've said here, please shoot me a comment. And if you found this video helpful, please remember to hit that like button on the way out and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next video.